Hey guys, it's the Green Brick here, and this is a minecart from the game Minecraft. And so, if you guys play Minecraft, you'll probably know what this is. This is kind of like a thing that you could put on rails in Minecraft. I play the game quite a bit, and I thought it'd be really cool to build this. I actually built this a long time ago. I just decided that it would be cool to make a video for it. So this is compatible with the train kind of things. I use the train wheels and it matches perfectly. Looks pretty good. So I'm not sure a lot of you guys will have the train, have had the train set or have the tracks and stuff for it. So you might just want to add wheels to this, but I just thought it'd be cool to do this. It's also quite smooth. It looks quite pretty well, and I just used a bunch of bare pieces with train wheels, and yeah, there will be a tutorial on this. Even if you don't have the train wheels, you can build it with normal wheels from Lego and stuff. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Could be a good decoration or to put down some tracks. But yeah, see you next video, guys. Bye.